The new moon marks the beginning of each lunar cycle and is an excellent time for setting intentions or working on any goals that you might have. It's also a very healing period when it comes to balancing emotions, so if you're feeling emotional or overwhelmed, this is something worth looking into. What is the new moon? With the old saying, the darkest hour is before dawn, it's true in every case. The new moon is the exact opposite. It signifies a time for new beginnings and for making plans. It's also when the moon is hidden from sight, which gives this particular day an air of mystery about it. The new moon marks a time of deep introspection and surrendering to the process of life. It is a time for starting over, shedding old habits, behavior patterns, or anything else that has outlived its purpose. The new moon holds the key to every door yet to be opened. It's all about possibilities. How you choose to use this energy is entirely up to you, and it's time to be introspective about what you really want out of this life. The basic idea behind the new moon is setting intentions for the month ahead. So let's take a look at how exactly it can help you in your daily life. What makes the new moon so special? The answer lies in two words: stillness and introspection. The new moon marks the start of a time when you can think deeply without distractions. It's during this time that you can set intentions for your future, because if there's one thing the universe loves, it's when you show up prepared. How can you use the new moon for guidance? There are a lot of ways to use this moon cycle for guidance. In general, it's all about finding what works best for you and your personal needs. Here are some suggestions on how to go about attracting positive energy into your life. Meditate under the new moonlight. Remove yourself from distractions by going out into nature or to a quiet place, and let yourself be guided by the stillness of this moon. Set intentions. Ask yourself what you really want out of life and put it down on paper. Be as specific as possible, but also know that there is no such thing as wrong or bad intentions. Use crystals to enhance your intentions. Pick your favorite crystal or stone that corresponds to your intentions and carry it with you. Make wishes. The new moon is a perfect time for wishing upon a star, so go ahead and make your dreams come true. It's important to remember that the new moon is also a transitional period for us as individuals, marking the end of one cycle and the beginning of new things to come. It's a time to get rid of all the old negativity in your life, which means that if you feel stuck or stagnant, somehow give yourself permission to move on. When is the best time to perform a new moon ritual? There is no bad time to perform a new moon ritual, although it's generally recommended to do so just before the sun rises, because that's when the moon is still visible. The best place to perform your new moon ceremony would be somewhere in nature or in your own backyard if you can't get out into the wild. This gives everything a sense of newness and freshness, nourishing your intentions for the month ahead. What should you do during a new moon ritual? This, of course, is entirely up to you, and it's time for you to really figure out what works best for your needs. You can start by setting your intentions clearly on paper and then burning them as an offering to the universe, and another way to symbolically let go of old stuff. You could also choose a crystal that helps you to manifest what you want to bring into your life, or make a wish upon a star. How will following the new moon's guidance help you in your life? The new moon is a time of deep introspection and surrendering to the process of life. It is a time for starting over, shedding old habits, behavior patterns, or anything else that has outlived its purpose. The new moon holds the key to every door yet to be opened. It's all about possibilities. How you choose to use this energy is entirely up to you, and it's time to be introspective about what you really want out of this life. The new moon posts a period of deep silence in which you can hear yourself think, without the noise of daily life getting in the way. It's during this time that you can set intentions for your future, because if there's one thing the universe loves, it's when you show up prepared. What are some other ways you can use the new moon to fine-tune your life? This is a great time to release the past, including any memories that hold you back from achieving your full potential in life. It's also a time for new ideas and for letting go of anything that doesn't serve you anymore. If you're looking for guidance on a particular topic or area of your life, be sure to let it show up during this period. The new moon is a time for starting anew, so allow yourself to let everything unfold naturally without any judgment or expectations. The new moon is also the perfect time to ask questions of the universe. It's like you're holding up a mirror and asking, "What do I need to work on here?" How can you use the new moon to bring positivity to your life? The new moon is a perfect time for letting go of all the negativity in your life. This means anything that holds you back from being who you really are, or anything that doesn't serve you anymore. For example, it could be that friend that always brings out negative energy in you, or those clothes you've been meaning to throw out but somehow keep holding on to. The new moon is also a great time for setting new goals, so start by making a list of all the things you want to release from your life before moving on to what you would like to create in their place. That's it for this guide on using the new moon to set your intentions for the month ahead. Hope you found this information useful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And as always, let us know what you thought in the comments. Check out this video, All Signs of the Zodiac, and how they usually feel, and I'll see you in the next video.